In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation in Go high-level sites. Animations are a great way to guide attention, create hierarchy, and make your pages feel polished without overwhelming visitors. We'll walk through a simple flow. Open the settings, head into the animations area, choose an entrance animation, and then test it so you can see exactly how it behaves on your page. Start by opening your page inside the Go high-level page builder. With the page loaded, click the element or section you want to animate so its controls appear. Now click Settings. This opens the editing panel where you control how that specific piece looks and behaves. If you don't see the panel right away, click the element again to ensure it's selected. Inside the Settings panel, look for Animations and click it. This is your motion control center. You'll find options grouped so you can quickly decide how the element should appear. Keeping everything organized here makes it easy to adjust or remove effects later if you change your mind. Next, choose Entrance Animations. Entrance animations define how the element comes onto the screen the first time a visitor encounters it. Think of this as the hello moment for a headline, image, or button. Common choices include subtle fades, gentle slides, or a small zoom. As a rule of thumb, lighter effects tend to look more professional and are less distracting, especially for text-heavy areas. Now select the animation you want. When possible, use the preview to see how it looks in place with your existing layout and colors. If the panel provides controls for duration or delay, set them to keep the motion snappy and intentional. A brief duration, around a fraction of a second, usually feels smooth. A short delay can help stagger multiple elements so they don't all animate at once. If direction options are available, pick the one that matches how content flows on your page, such as sliding in from the left for left-aligned sections. Finally, test the website. Use the preview inside the builder, or open the page in a new tab. Refresh the page and scroll naturally to watch the element enter the viewport. Check both desktop and mobile to confirm the timing and spacing feel right. If the animation draws too much attention or slows down the reading flow, switch to a subtler effect or shorten the duration. Consistency is key. Use the same style of motion across similar elements to make your page feel cohesive. And that's it. With settings opened, animation selected, entrance behavior chosen, and a quick test, your Go high-level site now has clean, purposeful motion that enhances your message.